A very good morning to all my lovely Patans. So I'm back with your computer class and I hope you all are enjoying your computer classes and you must be enjoying the computer activities too. So today we are going to do the revision worksheet of chapter 5 more on MS Paint and chapter 7 introduction to multimedia. And this worksheet you have to do in your computer notebooks. So keep your notebooks ready with you, keep your stationery with you, and if you have any doubt related to any of the chapter which will come in your EV2, or you have any doubt related to your computer activities, so I'm here to help you. You can ask. For now, let's start the revision worksheet. So this is your revision worksheet of chapter 5 and 7. First is tick the correct answer. So first one, dash tool places a dotted pattern on the drawing. Your options are text tool, airbrush, polygon. So think and then give the answer. Dotted pattern, keep in mind that which tool you are going to use. Yes, very good. Airbrush. So tick on the airbrush. Now come to the next one. With the help of dash, you can play an audio, video, CD, DVD. So किसकी हेल्प से आप ऑडियो और वीडियो CD DVD प्ले कर सकते हैं? योर ऑप्शंस आर विंडोज़ मीडिया प्लेयर, हेडफोन, स्कैनर. So what will be the answer? Yes, Yash. What will be the answer? Very good. The answer will be Windows Media Player. So tick on Windows Media Player. Now come to the next. Which of the following is one of the selection tools in MS Paint? So in you have three options. Out of these, which one is the selection tool in MS Paint? Your options are square selection, freeform selection, oval selection. Then what will be the answer? Yes, Yuvika, the answer will be freeform selection. Good. Now come to the fourth one. Dash click the item that you want to play from Windows Media Player library. Your options are double, single or triple. अगर आप विंडोज़ मीडिया प्लेयर की लाइब्रेरी से कुछ प्ले करना चाहते हैं, एनी म्यूज़िक और एनी वीडियो, सो उसके लिए आपको क्या क्लिक करना होगा, कौन सा क्लिक करना होगा, डबल, सिंगल, ट्रिपल? सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? द आंसर विल बी double click. So tick on the double click. Now come to the next one. Fill in the blanks. First is dash is a pair of small speakers that are designed to be held close to ears. So what we call them? It's a pair of small speakers जिनको हम ears के पास लगाते हैं और रखते हैं. So what will be that? You must be using right now also to listen to me. Yes, very good. The answer is headphone. So in the first one we'll write headphone. Okay. Now come to the second one. Dash tool is used to draw lines of different shapes and widths. So which tool is that? With the help of which we can draw lines of different shapes and different widths. The answer will be yes, Chaitanya, the answer will be brushes. Good. So we'll write brushes in the second fill up. Now the third one. Dash tool creates a rectangle with rounded corners. So what is the name of that tool जिससे हम rounded rectangle draw करते हैं? Rectangle जिसके जो corners होते हैं वो rounded होते हैं. It's very easy. Yes, everyone, the answer is rounded rectangle. Rounded rectangle tool. Okay. Now come to the next. We have true false. First is curve tool is used to draw a straight line. कर्व टूल से हम स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं. टेल मी. एवरीवन must be knowing this answer. Yes, very good. It's false. So write capital F in the first one. Curve tool is used to draw curved line only. Now next one is freeform selection tool selects a rectangular shaped area. फ्रीफॉर्म सिलेक्शन टूल से हम रेक्टेंगल शेप में किसी भी एरिया को सिलेक्ट करते हैं. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? सो इट इज yes, false again. Freeform selection tool is used to select the area of drawing in an irregular shape. किसी भी शेप में अगर हमें एरिया को सिलेक्ट करना है कोई किसी भी पार्ट को अपनी ड्राइंग के, देन फॉर दैट वी यूज़ फ्री फॉर्म सिलेक्शन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, मल्टीमीडिया इज़ यूज टू कन्वे ड्राइंग्स. मल्टीमीडिया हम ड्राइंग्स को कन्वे करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. इज़ इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? Yes, again it is false. Very good. I think you all are revising the chapters properly. Keep it up. Now the fourth one. A multimedia system should have a scanner. Multimedia system should have a scanner. एक multimedia system में scanner होना चाहिए. Is it true or false? No, it's not false. It is true. So write down capital T. Now come to answer the following questions. First is define advertisement. आपको advertisement को define करना है. So what is advertisement? Advertisement is one of the medium which is used to promote a product, to do the publicity of a product. Okay, so we'll write the answer here. So this is the answer. It is one of the mediums to promote a product, like you used to see the ads on the TV. Now next is what is the use of paste command. Paste command का क्या use है? So your paste command is used to insert the portion of the drawing that was cut or copied. So कोई भी हम drawing का portion, कोई भी part अगर हम cut या copy करते हैं तो उसको paste करने के लिए हम paste command use करते हैं, उसको insert करने के लिए. So we'll write the answer. It is used to insert the portion of a drawing that was cut or copied. Okay, so this is the answer. So everyone just do this worksheet in your computer notebook, and if you have any doubt related to this worksheet or related to the chapters or your computer activity, I am here to help you. You can ask. Okay, so we'll meet in next class. Till then, keep revising the chapters, and if you feel any problem, any issue, so you can just call me. Till then, take care. Bye.